Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, this is Kirti and thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is going to be an extension of one more video that I have already posted on my channel. If you haven't watched it, go watch it now and then come back here. So I have already made a skincare video where I talk about my honest skincare routine, and this video is going to be about my hair care and my body care video. So yeah, I wouldn't talk a lot about this, but I would like you guys to know that the hair care that I am going to be showing you guys is a little on the higher end side, but I will also give you guys some of the alternatives that you can use for higher end products. But this is the hair care that is very proven and trusted by me, as I had bleached hair, blonde hair, पिछले 3 साल से, and I have been bleaching it. I continuously bleached it for 3 straight years, and from my root to the end of my hair, so it did really get damaged because of it. So this is the hair care that will for sure work on those damaged hair, and if you're going through a similar thing, you can invest in these product, if not for a regular thing, but you can also invest it for like once, and use it for one cycle, and when your hair is a bit revived, you can just stop using it. For body care, I'd like to say it's very basic, but these are the products that have been working for me, so I'm gonna be obviously talking about those. So yeah, let's get started. First, I'm going to be talking about body care. So this is going to be in a way how you are supposed to use all of these products. So this is the first product that I want to talk to you guys about. This is the Dove Ka body wash, and I love this product. This is a 1000 ml product, and this is for I think 8 or 900. Yeah, this is for 849, but in sales you'll get it for 700. And trust me, if you have a little dry body, I mean, my skin is normal, the skin for my face is normal, but my body is very dry, so this leaves your body very smooth and nice. So I think this is one product that you can invest in, and this will literally last you for an year. And I mean, I love this product so much, and it is also such a huge bottle, as you can see, for 800. So I think it's really affordable that way. So this is the first product, and for this product, I also have one more recommendation. You can use these kind of scrubbing gloves if you want to scrub, but don't use it every day, as it will over exfoliate your skin and cause redness or irritation. So you can use it like once a week or maybe twice a week at max, I'm telling you. So you can order these off Amazon. So I use my body wash with this glove, and it works really well for me, especially on the days that I need to shave my body. That's when I use it. With this, I also have a scrub recommendation for you guys. So I use this Dove Ka brown sugar and coconut butter scrub, and this really works great for the time when you want to shave, especially like you apply it, rub it on your legs and your hands, all of your body, you wash it and then shave, or maybe shave it along with the scrub on. And I feel like this is a really worth it product for those very reasons. This retails for around 400 on Nykaa after discount, and I love this product. Like, I don't think any other high-end scrub can also work and give you results like this does. So moving on to the next product, I have this glycolic acid from Ordinary, and as you can see, I haven't used quite a lot of amount of this, so I'm not gonna say that if it's a holy grail or something, but yeah, it does works for darkness in your underarm. But you do, as I said, you do not need to overuse it. You need to slowly start putting it into your body care if you have a problem of dark underarms, and I don't even think it's a problem, but if it really bothers you, you can invest in this product. I do think it's a nice product, but you should very slowly inculcate it into your body care. Like, first use it once a week, then on alternate days, and like that go on about it. I have seen a little bit of results, but I would not say if it's a holy grail for me, at least until now. So yeah, and for moisturization, I have only one product recommendation, because obviously after all those scrubbing, washing, everything, you need a very good moisturization for your skin. So I'm going to be talking about this CeraVe moisturizer ka tub, and this retails for 2000, and it is such a great product. Like, it has a thick consistency. Wait, I'll show you guys. So this is how it looks, and when you try to blend it on your skin, it takes a little time, but once you apply it all over your body, you do not need to worry about the moisture being stripped after 4 hours or maybe 6 hours. It will not come off, the moisturization, until and unless you come home, wash your body, wash your face, whatever, wherever you're applying this. So this is very worth it, I think, and I use it for whole of my body, for my hands, feet, everything. I use it and I'm sorted. So it is really an investment, I feel. 2000 is really worth it because I can use it for all of my body. But yeah, so one more product recommendation that I have for odor, especially for the summer seasons, is the Chemist at Play ka roll-on stick. And trust me, this is the best deodorant hands down in the market. I have used the Nivea one and it does not work for me, especially. This has no smell, but it will for sure help you with your odor, especially in summers. After you take a shower, you need to apply it in your underarms and it will work for at least 6 to 8 hours. You'll have no odor. This also has 5% AHA in it, and it has claims to lighten your underarms, but I don't see any such results. But yeah, it does work for the odor control, and that's one guarantee that I can give you. This is my first tube until now, and I have tried it very recently, but I have been using it every day non-stop, and it has worked wonders for me. This retails for 300 on Blinkit, and you can get it of it if you live anywhere in Delhi, or maybe you can get it off Amazon if not. So this is the other half of the video where we are going to be talking about my hair care. And as I have already given you guys a disclaimer that the hair care that I am going to suggest is 100% tested and approved, especially by me, for a person who had bleached her hair from the root to tip 3 consecutively times, and I had the blonde hair. I'll put a picture maybe somewhere here, and this is a very recent color that I got done. This is somewhat darkish maroonish red in the sunlight. So these products are very pricey, but for sure they'll reverse the damage. If not make your hair better than it was before, they will reverse the damage of bleach for sure. So for the very first product, I'll be talking about an oil. Obviously you need a good hair oil. If you are not applying hair oil, this is a reminder to apply hair oil every week at least, for the very least, like a night before you apply your hair oil, before your washing day, and wash it on the morning. And that's just how it works for me personally. So this is a coconut oil, and please do not use those parachute ka coconut oil. That is not a good product. It is not even 100% coconut oil. It has preservatives, chemicals and what not in it. So this is a coconut oil by Merit VCO on Amazon. This is available and I got it off from Amazon. I have used quite a lot of amount, as you can see, and this is working wonders for my hair. I just love this. This is extra virgin pure coconut oil for this is 250 ml, and I just love this oil. And you can go try this one if you haven't up until now. This is a great oil. The most important product for your hair, I feel like shampoo, conditioner, oiling, all of those are important. But if your hair is constantly breaking, there is no fix for it then. Like no shampoo, conditioner, nothing if you apply on your hair. No oiling is gonna help if it is constantly breaking, I feel like. So for that, you need to really be investing in a good comb, and I feel like this wooden comb, it is from Vega. I got it off Nykaa. Is a really good product. It really prevents breakage for me, and for especially detangling my hair, I first use this and then go on about with my normal regular comb. So as I was talking about the bleach damage that has been reversed, especially on my hair, touch wood. So for that, I'm recommending you this product. This is the Olaplex ka hair perfector, and so Olaplex, every product of Olaplex has a number assigned to it, and supposedly you need to use it in that order, in the number, in ascending order. So This is the Olaplex number 3 Perfector. This is a small bottle and I think it retails for around 2500, especially in the sale. I think I did got it in the sale. It is originally for 3200, but I got it for 2500. And trust me, this product works so well on your hair. You just need to damp your hair and then you need to apply it all over your hair from your roots to tips and leave it for like 10-15 minutes. And no, it will not work better if you apply it or leave it overnight. Don't do that. Just apply it for 10 to 15 minutes, that be all, and you wash it with your regular shampoo or whatever routine that you follow for your hair. So this is one product that is really great. Even if you don't get the whole range or anything, I personally did, because I was very scared. My hair was very weak, very damaged because of the bleach. So even if you don't go to get all of those products, you can just get this one product and use it with your regular shampoo, whatever you are using, and this will work. I think one bottle of this will work. You have to apply it once a week if I'm not wrong, and I think one bottle somewhat reverses the damage and it works really well. So for the shampoo, again I have Olaplex number 4, and this is my third bottle, and this bottle lasts me for about easily for about 7 to 8 months. By the way, I wash my hair only once a week, as I was talking about the damage hair part. So I feel like overwashing it also further damages your hair, so I wash it only once a week. And no, I did not used to do it pehle se. This is what I started doing after my hair got damaged so much. So I sort of trained my scalp, and it is not that oily, like for me especially. But yeah, you can wash like according to what it suits you. So this is the number 4. This is my third bottle, and I do feel it's really good. But good alternative for shampoo, I'd say, is Love Earth ka shampoo. That is also really good. Also, if you need a clarifying shampoo, L'Oreal ka that light blue wala shampoo, clarifying shampoo, scalp detoxifying shampoo is also very good, which comes with clay in it. So yeah, and one more tip that I have to give you guys is, when you apply shampoo to deeply clean your scalp, you can use something like this. This is what I got off Amazon, and this works really great. It is to stimulate your scalp, and it is a massager. You can also massage when you oil your hair with this, and it does works really great. And I feel like I have seen small baby hairs. It also helps in hair growth, so that's one thing. So I have one more recommendation in the shampoo range for you guys. If you guys face dandruff, you can use this Selsun ka shampoo. This is my dermat approved, as well as I used to use it before even going to a dermat, because I just got it off Amazon, and this is for 300 for 120 ml of a bottle. And you need to wash your hair twice with this in the same wash cycle. You need to wash twice with this shampoo, and it does controls your dandruff very nicely, I feel like. So this is one product, Selsun, for hair, for your dandruff problems, I feel, if you have a really flaky scalp. But trust me, if it does not get solved by this, you should go see a dermat, because it could be something else and you might just not know it. So for conditioner, again I have Olaplex number 5, and like, I know it seems like an Olaplex video or something, but as I said, it has just worked so greatly for my scalp that I feel like for 6 to 7 months it lasts. It is a really great investment that I put for my hair, and yeah, I love this product. And if you have bleached hair, if you feel like your hair is very dry, damaged, and it is dead literally, you can invest in these products, especially in the hair perfector, even if not for the shampoo and conditioner. Again, a very good conditioner is Love Earth ka conditioner. So yeah, but this is obviously not a necessity, but if you have the means for it, just buy it. I mean, it does works good. What else can I say? Also for a hair mask, so I have the Dove ka hair mask. This is my trusted hair mask, and this is so good. This works great, and it leaves your hair so moisturized and manageable and not at all frizzy. This is my 5th day hair that you see right now. It is a little flat, but I think it looks quite manageable and smooth on screen as well. So this is all thanks to this mask. So you just need to apply one of those products, either the conditioner or the mask. That's how I do it. I have heard people who apply both of these products together, but I feel like one product is enough. If conditioner, then condition. If you're applying a mask, then just apply a mask. Like I apply it once a week, and that's all for me. So for serum, I have again yet another an Olaplex product. So it is Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. And even if you don't want to get the shampoo and conditioner, because they are somewhat average, they're not very great. Of course, it has worked for my hair, so I'm using it, but for the price point of view, I would not say that that's something of those products that you need to have in your hair care routine. But you do need this product. I have used quite a lot, and this bottle I got it last year in January, and it is still half. So you know how much it works and lasts for. And this retails for 3,000, and it also works as a hair protectant, as a heat protectant. So it is two in one product. It also works as a great serum, repairs damage, and also works as a heat protectant. So it's 3 in 1 product for that matter. So if you don't want any of those other products from Olaplex range, you do suffer from a damaged hair problem, you can still go and get these two. This will probably be your holy grail, and you will thank me for it. Like the perfector is so great that you can definitely invest in, especially in sales. The price comes down to like 2,500 from 3,000 or maybe 2,000. That's when you can get this plus this, because this is a 3 in 1 product and will last you for a very long time. As I said, I have been using it from January 2023, and this is April 2024, and I still have quite a lot of product left. So yeah, this is one more recommendation. And yeah, I think this is all that I have for my body care and hair care recommendation. If you like any of these products, obviously they're all available on Nykaa or Amazon. But if you get it from Amazon, make sure to see the seller. For example, if you're getting a Dove product for Amazon, you need to see if the seller is Dove or not in the description. If not, then that might be an inauthentic product. So, or maybe get it off Nykaa, because everything is available there. And yeah, that is all. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment. That will really make me happy, and I'll be really grateful for that. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.